Hello guys, welcome to Not On My Watch. I'm so excited to finally show you this watch. I'm so excited to finally see this watch myself. I've been waiting on this, I think since May, and it finally arrived and I'm so excited. I'm just gonna skip intro, skip everything. We're gonna open this box and let's get into it. Let me see if I can open up here. This just arrived today. It was supposed to arrive yesterday, but I wasn't home, and DHL didn't want to leave it at the store where I could pick it up, so they had to come again today. So finally it's here. Here's the box. Within the box, all black. Nothing special about this box. Let's rip it open. Let's get this right. There we go. Are you ready? Let's get this one out. There we go. Fancy pattern on the inside here. Okay, I'm excited. There we go. Kurono Tokyo. Very nice, beautiful paper with the seal. I don't want to break this. I think, yeah, that's fine. Okay. Here is. Okay, there's a lot of things coming out. Okay, let's see if I can. No, don't get stuck there. Let's get this out of the way. Okay, a lot of bubble wrap. Let's take the bubble wrap out. Okay guys, here it is out of the bubble wrap. Let's take a look at this first. Let's see, is it sealed? I don't want to rip it open, you know. Let's be careful. Okay, there we go. Inside we have my microfiber cloth with the logo on. Pretty nice. I know you're probably not interested in this, but I want to see everything. So yeah, pretty normal size. Let's put that to the side. There's something more in here. There's a lot of, oops, sorry, a lot of things in here. We have a booklet with the warranty card. Okay, that's that. Welcome to the family. Very cool. There's a QR code. If you're interested, don't know what it is. There is a thank you note. I would like to extend our sincerest gratitude for celebrating our 2nd anniversary. I'm not going to read everything, but it's pretty nice. This, what is this? I am not sure what this is. Let's open it up. Oh, there we go. Whatever. So what is this, guys? Let me know. What is this? I have no idea. Is this like the tag? Is there a version of the like a tag? I don't know. Here's the watch. Let's focus on this. So it's nicely wrapped in this cloth. Okay. Here is a box. There's a lot of boxes. There's a lot of things to open, like a lot. This is a vacuum sealed and disinfected. How am I gonna get this open? Okay, give me a moment. This is the hardest unboxing I've ever done. But this was actually really simple. It was easier than I thought to open this. So here is the magnificent watch box. I think it's the smallest watch box I've ever had. But yeah, there's a lot of other things to this unboxing. So this white paper wasn't very nice, but this box, well, if you look past this mark, it's quite beautiful. Is this like what, dirt? That's annoying actually. Okay, how do we open this? Oh, you slide it out? Yeah. Wrong way? Nope. Okay, I don't like this watch box anyway. It was very hard to get out. Okay. And then I guess we just lift it up. Are you guys ready? I'm ready. Here we go. There's the watch. Oh, that's really pink. I wasn't quite sure what this... Well, it's not that pink. I wasn't sure about this color, what it was going to be like in real life. I'm going to zoom in a little bit and we'll take a closer look. Okay guys, so I'm going to take it out of the plastic. If I can. It's stuck in here. There we go. More plastic. Let's get it off. Oh my god. This is seriously the hardest thing I've ever unboxed. I can't get this. There we go. Wow. Okay, so this is beautiful. Wow, look at this. Wow, look at that color. Stunning. It's actually nicer in person than I thought. On hands look beautiful. What do you guys think? I'm pretty late. I'm sure you've seen a lot of videos of these already. Mine was order number 49XX, so I wasn't of the earliest. But I'm so happy to finally get it. Here's the case back. Very simple. It's all about the dial on this one. The strap feels nice. I heard a lot of people complaining, well I read people complaining about the strap on the forums, but honestly, not too bad, not too bad. I'm definitely going to change it out. I don't think I want it with black. I think I'm going to get a mesh bracelet and maybe like a light gray strap, I think, leather strap. I'll just take the plastic off the clasp. The clasp is unsigned. That is weird, I think. The strap says genuine leather, but no branding other than that. That's kind of strange. But wow. How beautiful is this dial, guys? I'm not really a pink guy, but it's not like super pink. It's you know, more like copper, like slightly pink copper. Very, very beautiful color. I have to try it on the wrist. It is a 37mm watch, so it's quite small, which I like. You know, it is a dress watch. I think it's a perfect size. Let's see if I can get it on. There it is on my wrist. It looks a little bit bigger on camera, but I think it fits very, very nicely. It's a beautiful, beautiful fit. I'm in love with this, guys. You know, I'm trying to buy the blue one as well, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna have any luck with that. But damn, I'm really happy with this. Really, really happy. This is, you know, I gotta be careful to say it, but I think this is a keeper. I'm not really a dress watch guy. I've had a lot of dress watches over the years, but I've sold, I think, all of them. They have been neglected in terms of wrist time. But this one definitely gonna get a lot of wrist time, at least now in the beginning. It's beautiful. What do you guys think? Like, let me know. And if you got one, let me know as well. What do you guys, what do you think of yours if you got one? I'm very eager to hear. I am going to do a full review of this eventually as well, but you know, gotta wear it first. I'm gonna find some new straps for it. But wow, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So excited to share this with you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed. It was just a quick video. I just wanted to show you what I got. I've been waiting on it for so long now, so super excited. Let me know what you guys think, and thank you so much for watching. If you want to watch another video, I will put one right here, and thank you again, and goodbye.